Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing ZTE Nubia Z80 Ultra, 60 Ultra and 70 Ultra. Let's see this fully video. First compare the body features. All three mobiles come with an IP68 rating. Next compare display features. They offer AMOLED display with HDR10. Hardware features. All three mobiles are powered by the Snapdragon chipset. When it comes to the camera features, they offer three rear cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Next compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connectivity HD speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 and fingerprints. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.